At Action First Aid, we're on a mission to empower people to take action in life-saving moments. That's why we created CPR in 60, a 1-hour online program designed for anyone who doesn't need certification, but should know how to save a life. In this course, we cover the most important life-saving skills: how to recognize sudden cardiac arrest, why and how to perform effective CPR, when and how to use a life-saving AED, plus answers to the most common questions we hear every day in our training courses. When 80% of sudden cardiac arrests occur at home and brain damage sets in within 4 minutes, we all need to be prepared to save a life before medical help arrives. It's fun, interactive, and super easy to follow. Take 60 minutes today so you're ready to save the life of someone you love tomorrow.